Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to announce that I'm officially bringing Red Carpet Ready back. And if you're new, Red Carpet Ready is a series I used to do where I would bring you guys along with me to style all of my projects, and I have so many fun things coming up. In this episode of Red Carpet Ready, I'm going to be styling Veronica and Vanessa Merrell for the season 3 premiere of Mandalorian, and I'm so excited because Disney always invites them, so we're going to go big with these looks, and I'm going to bring you guys to the showrooms with me. Definitely like and subscribe because I'm going to be posting a new episode every week featuring a different project that I'm styling. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm at the H&M headquarters and I'm pulling for so many fun upcoming projects. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll see you soon.
Yes, see you soon.
These are heavy. I'm at Janie's showroom right now, and she's the best. I love working with Janie. I've been working with her for like 10 years. She's so fun and funny, and I can just see myself working with her forever. Oh, that's pretty.
But is this fit them? Will this fit them? It's so tiny.
Yeah, they're little. Does it stretch at all?
No. Does that look big enough?
Yeah,
that might be big enough. How dressy does it have to be?
I mean, it's a big red carpet, so they don't mind going over the top.
Yeah, they're like over the top. Look how Wish Boogaloo's doing.
I feel like he's like acclimating to us. This is the showroom mascot. So after a long day filled with showroom stops and pulls, I head over to the twins to start the fitting. Yeah, I'm excited about everything because we have a lot of different options. Like we have so many different colors and textures, and there's gowns and kind of a little bit of everything, really. I got this delivered last night. Haven't even seen it. And
Wow. Very like elegant.
I love that.
Cool.
Tiger, what do you think? He's like, I'm just gonna eat my treat here.
Tiger's just here to watch.
Here's a perfect example of when Jasmine she was a true friend and a good stylist all in one. For the Willow premiere, I wore this look, insert picture here, and it was so hot pink, and that day I was dealing with so much anxiety, and like I did not want to wear anything like super bright, or like it almost felt like it was too like so colorful and out there that all eyes were going to be on me, and because I was dealing with so much anxiety, I just wanted to hide. So I wanted to go with something more like black and like hidden so no one would look at me. But Jasmine pretty much forced me to wear the opposite of what I was feeling, and she felt bad, but at the end of the day knew exactly what I needed, because when I got there I got so many compliments and people loved the look, and
you guys looked amazing.
And yeah, Ronnie's look was so pretty too. So anyways, so fun. With all that to say, that's the backstory of this outfit.
Sometimes you don't feel like going all out,
but you kind of have to, and it's like a good example of like when Jasmine's like, okay, you're not feeling good like emotionally, and I know it's gonna make you feel better, but you have to step a little out of your comfort zone, and there you go. So then I felt better the rest of the night.
And then I sent a voice note apologizing.
She's like, I'm sorry. She's like, I feel so bad, and I'm like, no, it turned out fine. It worked out so good.
Yeah.
Anyways, so
that was that.
all right, what do we think? What
What do you actually think?
I think it looks amazing, if I'm being honest. It feels not the best. It's just like really riding up in my armpits, and I can really feel all the beads, but I think it looks so cool.
It looks really nice. I love my dress. I feel like
I can kind of like it's giving a little bit like
On
bougie
theme,
Baby
too?
Yoda. Yeah, like if I do some like green makeup and like with these shoes, like I think I could
And the
like
ears,
yeah.
right?
No ears. Jasmine, the look she went.
I pass out.
I feel like it could like give it's like an homage to Baby Yoda in a way. Or sorry, Grogu. Here.
Dinner is served when she's the whole meal.
I have a fork. What?
When she's not just
on
a
my
snack.
Oh, wait, it's a fork. Wait, I thought you were like making some funny joke. It's an actual fork. And a spoon. What?
Maybe we can incorporate them.
Okay, so we're thinking this is a cool like vibe because it's like futuristic Mandalorian. Like Mandalorian wears metal that's called Beskar, and this
Armor.
yeah, it's like armor, and it kind of is giving armor Beskar vibe.
Oh yes.
Right? I think it's very cool.
I like it. I feel comfortable, and it's gonna be cold, so this
Yeah.
will at least keep me a little warm.
Yeah. I'll need to bring a coat
here.
or something.
I just really like these, and I think on camera they look really cool.
smell. And the shoes. The shoes are cool too.
This is great. A great option as well.
This is a good look.
Yeah. Yes. Alright, what's the next one? Can I try on that red one?
Yeah.
Okay. I put on the Mandalorian cape, but everyone voted no.
You can show the people.
Let me show the people. There's this cape that came with our Mandalorian costume, but everyone voted no. So
It just looks too costumey. It needs to be fashion.
what do you think?
I think
I think I like it.
Very pretty.
is that gold
or silver?
It's like
I think it's gold.
silver. Oh, it is like a gold, but not a bright gold.
Oh, right.
It's not like a yellowy gold.
I don't think so.
Like, am I okay?
So these are the next
another
option.
look.
Yeah, this is really good.
It's so on theme.
Okay, I do like this belt. This
love
belt
it.
is so cool.
I kind of feel like we have to do the belt. Yeah, as like a. I think next to each other they're too much, but I kind of like.
Like how it looks. You know, when you first brought this out, I thought it was like a visor. I thought
It's
it was
like not a hat.
supposed to go on like this or something, and I was like, what is she bringing out right now? This. This is the
It's
look.
the future of fashion.
Can you see why I thought it was a visor at first? From
Yeah.
this angle?
Because this dress and
It's like a
the black
visor.
one, this one on.
This is why I thought it was a visor.
Wait, I kind of love it as a visor. Stop!
What if
Don't
Ronnie puts on-
don't put ideas
Here.
into my head.
What if Ronnie puts this back on? Thoughts on this together? I feel like this is giving like Dark Trooper vibes.
I like.
But like I don't know. It's really pretty. I think this is a good problem to have.
Yeah, we definitely. Oh, this looks really good in photos because of the slits. You guys look classy. But this one, you guys are both in gowns.
Right.
Maybe.
Oh, it's a little puppy. She's really cute. I think the gold gown, I really, really like how it looks. I think it's beautiful and classy. And I was gonna do like green makeup, like Baby
Yeah.
Yoda makeup. I also think this one is so cool too.
No,
So I'm
it's
like,
just such a different look.
but that's cool too. This is
Wait, let me photograph this next to each
so
other.
hard.
It kind of ties in.
It ties in, but it's still missing something. Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
very modest.
Yes.
Which is what some people like. Well, I
And-
think it's very. I think it's pretty, but
Some
like,
people
like modest, and there's nothing wrong with that.
I like modest too. It's just
But I
funny
do
that
like
it's
a leg here and there. We can just
Well,
take some
okay.
scissors.
What about that navy blue dress?
I feel like it doesn't match. Like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. So yeah, I think this is the final look.
Yeah, we love
This is what we're going for. We like it. We hadn't tried this one on yet.
Yeah, this was a little pantsuit thing that we put the Beskar armor under.
Yeah,
And it fit.
Jasmine.
Makeup look concept.
Smoky.
We're picking hair and makeup now because we've actually decided on our looks.
That's a
Yes.
cool look. Just
Yeah, I'll
really
text these to you.
black.
Yeah.
I will try my best to do it.
Do you like this?
Do you like this?
For Mandalorian? Yeah, no, it's good. It's good. I like it. No lightsabers?
No, it's the Mandalorian.
Just one on your belt.
There is the cape.
No, we're not doing the cape.
Yeah,
No
no, it looks
cape.
very Star Wars-esque. I like it.
Success.
Yay, success, we did it. Woo, figured it out.
We have our looks.
Look at Tiger's outfit.
Wow, styled by Jasmine.
Do you guys
Oh,
remember the...
Like this.
There we go. There we go. Styled by Jasmine.
Oh, he doesn't like it.
Okay, so we finally decided on the looks. We were going back and forth, but we're set on the red gown and the black velvet jumpsuit, and we love it.
We love
We're
it.
just going over hair and makeup, so typically after we decide on the outfit, then we pick like how the hair and makeup is gonna look, and yeah, we're pretty set. So I will include so many pictures and videos of them on the carpet. Be sure to get some footage for me, you guys.
We will.
And now I pack everything up.